Hello, my name is Jason Perkins, and I'd like to welcome you to another episode in my Georgia Workers' Compensation video series. I'm an attorney that specializes in Georgia workers' compensation law, and in my workers' compensation video series, I provide you with helpful information about the rules of Georgia workers' compensation law and the benefits available to you under it. Today, I'd like to talk to you about getting a workers' compensation medical second opinion in your case. But before we jump into that, I wanted to tell you about an upcoming episode in the Workers' Compensation video series, which is FCEs, or Functional Capacity Evaluations, what they are and how they can affect your case. Now let's talk about medical second opinions. Medical treatment under the Georgia Workers' Compensation law is a benefit that the employer must provide for you. In other words, when you suffer an injury at work, your employer pays for the medical treatment and testing that you need as a result of that injury. In most cases, you end up seeing a doctor off of your employer's panel of physicians, which is a list of workers' compensation doctors that they're required to post at your job site. In other cases, you may see a doctor off of what's called a WC-MCO, but the panel of physicians is what applies in most cases. And so you start treating with that doctor, who's called your authorized treating physician. Now, sometimes that doctor is not providing the treatment that you need, or you're unhappy with that doctor for some reason. And so the question that comes up a lot is, how can you go and see another doctor and make the workers' compensation insurance company pay for it? Or if the doctor's recommending some treatment that you're not sure if you want, how can you get a second opinion about that treatment? And there's a few different ways to do that. The first way is to change doctors on the panel of physicians. You have a right, when you've chosen a doctor off the panel, to change to a different doctor on the panel for any reason. However, you can only do that one time in your case. You don't have to provide a specific reason for that change. You can just decide you're unhappy with the doctor you're treating with and change your authorized treating physician to a different doctor. And this is actually a change of your doctor. The new doctor becomes your authorized treating physician and has all the powers that an authorized treating physician has under Georgia's workers' compensation law. Another way to get a medical second opinion is to use what's called an IME. And that is part of the law called 34-9-202, which entitles you to have the workers' compensation insurance company pay for a one-time IME in your case in certain circumstances. It has to be within a certain period of time of when you've received weekly benefits from the insurance company. And within that period of time, you can schedule that IME and basically have a doctor of your choice evaluate you. And have the insurance company in most instances pay for that entire evaluation. So that's another way to get a medical second opinion. Third way is to just pay for a medical second opinion on your own. Again, that's not the insurance company paying for it, but you do have a right to yourself pay to go see a doctor and have that doctor provide you with a second opinion. And a fourth way to do it is to request a change of physician to a different doctor. As I mentioned earlier, you can change one time on the panel of physicians automatically without any reason. A change of physician can be done more than once, even if you've changed on the panel beforehand. But in a change of physician request, you either have to get agreement from your employer or their insurance company, or you have to get a judge at the State Board of Workers' Compensation to determine that a change of physician would be in your best interest. Those are some of the ways that you can get a second opinion from a doctor about your workers' compensation medical treatment. Hope you found this information helpful today. If you have, the best way to let me know is by giving this video a thumbs up or by liking it. If you have more questions or want more information about Georgia workers' compensation, I'd encourage you to visit our Perkins Studdard Workers' Compensation YouTube channel, where you can subscribe to be notified of future videos that come out, and you can view all videos in the Georgia Workers' Compensation video series there. You can also visit our website, www.perkinslawtalk.com, and read the workers' compensation articles that are available on our blog there. Or if you want to set up a free consultation with me, you can complete and submit the consultation request form there, and we'll get one scheduled for you. Or you can do that by calling the phone number at the bottom of the screen, and we'll get one scheduled for you as well that way too. Thanks for watching today, and I wish you the best of luck as you recover from your injury.